deep cleansing of our motorcycle. That's right. Some deep cleansing, as I like to say. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel. Hey, if you're new here, please click that like, that subscribe, and don't forget to bang that bell notification. This way, you will get notified every time I upload a video. Well, today is the day. It's the day after Thanksgiving, and we're out here in the shop, and we're going to do a little bit of deep cleansing of our motorcycle. That's right. Some deep cleansing, as I like to say. What are we doing? We are going to steam clean parts of our bike, and we're going to take a look. And why steam clean? Well, because I believe it's something that is very well overlooked of getting your motorcycle clean. Let's take a look. For instance, right back in here, it's really filthy. The wheels get disgusting. The motor, it's got some crud in there. I know it looks like it's pretty clean on camera, but trust me, it's not. I'm waiting on the little miniature steam cleaner that was sent to me or given to me on loan from my good friend Tito. Shout out to Tito, love you very much. Thank you very much. So here it is. This is from General Machinery, and we're going to steam clean. We're waiting on the red light to go out. And once that's out, I guess we're ready to start steaming. So once that's ready, I'll bring you guys in. Okay, the red light has gone out. I'm assuming we're ready to go. So let's start here with the wheel. Let's get a good look at this. Let me get you a better angle if I can. So I'm going to pull the trigger. It's got a nice little soft tip. There's lots of different boy, this seems to be working well. Getting in those crevices. I'm just going to do small pieces here and there just to take a look. A little steam here. Let's get on this little grill for the oil cooler. We will be making a little bit of a mess with the water. That's to be expected. So Tito was nice enough to lend this to me to try out before I decided to purchase one. See look how filthy that is. A little bit of steam right up in here. And let the steam clear. We can take a look. Oh, that's looking good. Now we're going to do our voltage rectifier. Just all the hard areas to reach when you're trying to detail or clean your bike. You know, speaking of hard areas to reach, how about inside of here, the wheel? You might have to get a little brush to get in there for all the built up, caked up stuff. But it seems to be doing a great job with the steam. Note to self, if you have a smoke detector, this might trip it off. But I'm just trying to get all of this steam done. And let's do our rotor here. 'Cause these things are always hard to keep clean. And it seems to be doing a pretty good job. I mean, that looks pretty good for the oil cooler and the voltage rectifier. Now let's do a little spot here on the motor. Take a look at it. Like I said, all the hard to reach areas, like in between your tappet blocks. And I just lost one of my caps, no big deal. Like in between your transmission and your motor. Let that steam clear. Oh, pick up my cap. Granted, this time of year it's going to be tough to do this because of the freezing temperatures here in the Northeast, but I will leave the heat on in the garage. And it says about 45 minutes of working time with the steamer. All the oils and everything is just getting steamed away. Look at that, huh? That wheel looks so much better. You could see it, difference between this side and now this side, from here to there. Well, that steam cleaner works really, really good. What do you guys think? I think it's doing a great job personally. So, let me get going on this, doing a little bit more, and basically concentrate on the front wheel, and we'll take a look at it when I'm done. Okay guys, I just got done steaming the motor, the trans, the front wheel, the floorboards, the brake pad, the highway pegs, all that, just to see what it would do. Okay, is this the end all be all to keep from using cleaning chemicals and things like that? Absolutely not. Now, what I did notice is it got a lot of the ground in grime that was in between the ridges here on the floorboards, the brake pedal, the highway pegs, also a lot inside the motor. Was able to get all that nice and clean, and also on the frame. The oil cooler, that came out great. It's nice and clean all the way through, but like I said, it's not the end all be all, because look, there's a little bit right in here. So yeah, you will have to add some elbow grease, but I believe, and this is me, I believe that this here will help keeping your motorcycle or any of your equipment nice and clean and from small debris. I mean, I did the calipers and the caliper screens. I think they look great. Let's take a look at clean hand here. All right, I think I did a good job on the calipers and the caliper screens. I did a good job on the brake rotors. The wheel, like I said, I have to do some more, give that some love. But as far as the motor and the trans go, the rocker, going to the rocker boxes, the fins, in between your tappets, where your motor meets your tranny, all up inside of here, down inside of there, it actually made quite a bit of a difference. So, do I believe in this? Absolutely. Will I use it again? Absolutely. Am I going to order one for myself? Absolutely. All right, everybody, and that's it for this video. Hey, if you want to see more content like this, where you're taking care of your motorcycle, doing maintenance, upgrades, or anything you think of, check out the rest of my playlist, and I always have more videos coming. Until the next time, I want you to live the best life you can. Ride often, as always, ride hard.